delivering a good presentation is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can deliver a good presentation. So we are going to talk about some of the factors that you should do in order to deliver a good presentation. So the first one is dress properly. Just try to dress more formally. Don't be in your casuals. Try to be in formals and dress properly. The second thing is arrive early. Do not reach there on time. Just be there before the teacher arrive. It gives a good impression. The third one is meet the moderator. Tell your moderator that what you are doing, and so he knows, he have the idea that what you are presenting. The next thing is you need to know that how you need to handle the audience. The other thing is you need to have a plan if technology fails. Suppose if your laptop or projector dies, you just need to have a backup plan which you can apply if the technology fails. Just read the audience. Load your visuals before loaded presentation times. Sometimes you are presenting something and your PC or your presentation lags. Just load it before. And smile. Don't eat chewing gum. Take a deep breath. Speak clearly and speak at even pace. Which means don't be too loud or don't be too low. Just be at an even pace and you will do good. And you can create, a crazy type of morph transitions and smooth presentation with the Canva, which is a free tool. You can use this tool as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.